Guys, ever tried turning a simple story idea into an actual video? Sounds easy, until every creative decision starts competing for your attention. Most AI tools handle isolated moments well, but keeping characters, scenes, and visual details consistent throughout an entire story is still a major challenge. Today, I'll show you how MagicLight AI solves that problem. I'm Daniel, welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. In this video, we'll take one short drama idea and turn it into a full AI-generated video step by step. We'll follow the entire creative process, from the initial concept to the finished video, so you can see how the workflow works in practice. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's get into it. Alright folks, let's go inside MagicLight and see how this works in practice. We're on the main dashboard. At the top there are several creation modes for different video types. For this tutorial I choose short drama videos, because this workflow is designed for stories with characters, dialogue, and connected scenes. Inside the short drama section, the main field is where we can enter our own idea or paste a ready script. But if you do not have an idea yet, MagicLight can help with that too. Click Get Ideas, and you get a library of ready story concepts with previews. These already include a story direction, characters, and a possible ending, so this gives you a faster starting point. Friends, for this demo, I create my own story. I choose the 3D Cartoon 3.0 style, select Gemini Flash 3.1, and choose the aspect ratio. We can use landscape for YouTube-style videos, or switch to vertical for short-form content. Next, I set the length to around 5 to 10 minutes and enter my prompt. I describe specific characters, an emotional conflict, and an unexpected turn. I also keep polish skills enabled, so MagicLight can polish the idea and break it into a better production structure. Now I click Next. MagicLight analyzes the prompt and turns it into a full script. We can see a synopsis, scene descriptions, and a full shot structure. In this case, it understands the core idea and expands it into a more complete school drama with clear conflict, character roles, and emotional direction. Each shot has its own action and dialogue, so the video is not just a slideshow. It already has scene progression, character interaction, and emotional beats. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Next, we move to the cast. MagicLight automatically detects 5 characters from the story and creates the main cast. Each character has a look, age, name, and voice. If one of them does not fit, we can open the character settings and choose another option. Then we move to the storyboard. Here, all shots are generated automatically. For example, the first shot shows Mia walking into the school cafeteria with her head down and a tray in her hands. The visual prompt matches the dialogue below, which helps keep the story connected. Mates, if something looks wrong, we can regenerate a shot, or adjust clothing, pose, tone, or voiceover without rebuilding the whole video. Once the storyboard looks good, we confirm the shots and let MagicLight animate all the frames. This turns the static storyboard into actual moving scenes before we move to the final setup.
6 more hours and I'm out of here.
Now the tool lets us choose subtitle styles and background music. The subtitle preview appears directly on the frame, and the music library helps match the mood of the story. Once everything is ready, I click Generate, choose the format, and start rendering. MagicLight now creates the full video with scenes, voices, subtitles, and music. And here is the result, folks.
Head down, Mia. 6 more hours and I'm out of here.
Don't sit here. Table's full and we don't know you.
I wasn't just looking for the exit. Sorry. That jacket? She's begging to be ignored. It's just a jacket. I can still hear you. The corner by the trash. Pathetic. At least the garbage doesn't whisper. I had friends back home. I wasn't a ghost.
We can see the cafeteria scene, consistent characters, subtitles, and a detailed 3D cartoon style. What stands out is that this is not just a 20-second preview, but a full video of around 10 minutes built from the storyboard. It feels surprisingly coherent for something that started as one short story idea. Friends, now let me show you one new update from MagicLight, a dedicated space for football-related content. It lets creators build World Cup-style videos much faster, with a more focused sports direction, whether it's around a match, a team, or a fan story. Instead of starting from a blank prompt, this workflow gives you a more focused starting point for sports content. You can use football-themed templates, characters, and music to make the video feel more energetic and connected to the tournament mood. MagicLight also has a World Cup creation challenge, where creators can publish football videos made with the platform and compete for rewards. So if your audience is interested in football content, this is a useful feature to test. So guys, what stands out here is that MagicLight does not treat a story as one prompt and one output. Instead, it approaches the entire creation process as a structured workflow, giving you more control over how the final video comes together. The practical advantage is how much time it saves during production. Everything stays in one workflow, so you can build and refine a complete story without constantly moving between different tools or losing control over the final result. For creators, this is the real value. One idea can become a repeatable video format, not just a random AI experiment. My friends, if you want to create long videos with consistent characters and scenes, check out MagicLight AI through the link in the description. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.